Hey there, explorers. Are you ready to dive into the amazing world of physics? Have you ever wondered why things move the way they do? Like, why does a ball bounce back up when you throw it on the ground? Or why does a toy car roll across the table when you give it a push? Or why some things fall down and others float? For example, why does a rock sink in water while a balloon floats up into the sky? That's what physics is all about. It's the science that helps us understand these everyday wonders. Physics is like a big, exciting puzzle that helps us understand how the world works. Imagine trying to solve a mystery where every clue you find brings you closer to understanding the universe. It's about discovering the rules that everything around us follows, like why a pendulum swings back and forth, or how a magnet can attract certain metals. From the tiniest atom, which is too small to see with our eyes, to the biggest star in the sky, physics helps us understand it all. Isn't that cool? It's like having a superpower to see the hidden rules of the universe. With physics, we can learn why things happen and even predict what might happen next. Imagine being able to predict where a ball will land when you throw it, or how fast a car will go down a ramp. Physics makes all of this possible and so much more. So let's get ready to explore and discover the wonders of physics together. Let's talk about motion. Motion is an essential part of our everyday lives, and it's all around us even if we don't always notice it. Motion is just a fancy word for movement. It can be fast or slow, big or small, but it's always happening. When you jump, dance, or play tag, you're experiencing motion firsthand. Everything in the universe is in motion, even if we can't always see it. From the bustling traffic on a busy street to the gentle swaying of leaves in the wind, motion is everywhere. Even the Earth itself is constantly moving, rotating on its axis and orbiting around the sun. Think about a basketball game. The players are running, the ball is bouncing, and even the crowd is moving and cheering. Every dribble, every pass, and every cheer is a different kind of motion, all coming together to create an exciting and dynamic scene. That's a lot of motion. Motion is everywhere. In a bustling city street, people are walking, cars are driving, and children are playing. Each movement contributes to the vibrant energy of the city. Can you think of other examples of things that move? Look around you and you'll see countless examples. Maybe it's the fluttering of a butterfly's wings or the spinning of a ceiling fan. Maybe you're thinking of cars, trains, or even airplanes soaring through the sky. These vehicles are designed to move us from one place to another, showcasing the power and importance of motion in our lives. Or even your pet goldfish swimming in its bowl. The gentle swish of its tail propels it through the water, a perfect example of motion in the animal kingdom. Motion is truly what makes the world go round. Now, let's talk about forces. A force is a push or a pull. Forces are what make things move. Imagine you're playing tug of war with your friends. You're pulling the rope and your friends are pulling it too. Both sides are using force. Forces can be strong or weak. For example, it takes more force to push a heavy box than it does to push a light ball. Physics might sound complicated, but it's really all around us. It's in the air we breathe, the ground we walk on, and even in the way we move. Every single day we interact with the principles of physics, often without even realizing it. From the moment we wake up and stretch our arms to the time we go to bed and turn off the lights, physics is at play. Every time you ride your bike, you're experiencing the wonders of physics. The way you balance on two wheels, the force you apply to the pedals, and the speed you gain as you go downhill. All of these are examples of physics in action. The friction between the tires and the ground helps you stay upright, while the gears and chains work together to make your ride smooth and efficient. Swing on a swing set and you'll feel the push and pull of gravity and momentum. As you pump your legs, you're using energy to move higher and higher. The swing moves back and forth in a predictable pattern, demonstrating the principles of pendulum motion. It's a fun and simple way to see physics at work, or even just drop a pencil and you'll witness gravity in action. The pencil falls to the ground because of the gravitational pull of the Earth. This force is what keeps us grounded and prevents us from floating away into space. You're seeing physics in action. These everyday occurrences are all governed by the laws of physics, which help us understand how the world works. One fun way to see physics at work is to do an experiment. Experiments allow us to test our ideas and see the principles of physics in a controlled environment. They help us learn more about the world and how it operates. Have you ever noticed that if you drop a feather and a rock at the same time, the rock will hit the ground first? This simple experiment can teach us a lot about the forces at play. The rock will hit the ground first because it is heavier and less affected by air resistance. That's because of something called air resistance. Air resistance is a force that opposes the motion of an object through the air. It affects lighter objects with larger surface areas more than heavier compact objects. The feather is lighter and has more surface area, so the air slows it down more than the rock. This is why the feather takes longer to reach the ground, so the air slows it down more than the rock. This simple observation can lead to a deeper understanding of the forces that govern our world. The world of physics is full of amazing discoveries just waiting to be made. From the smallest particles to the largest galaxies, physics helps us understand the universe. So keep asking questions, keep exploring, and most importantly, keep having fun with science. Whether you're conducting experiments, observing the world around you, or simply playing, remember that physics is everywhere. Embrace your curiosity and let it guide you to new and exciting discoveries. The more you learn, the more you'll see just how incredible the world of physics truly is.